Look at this view, guys. Good morning. And we have to walk along the way there and up. Yes, okay. Alright, let's do this. Just walk. Walk. Nice view. Nice view. Look at this view. Ooh. And we're in the top. We're in the mountain. We walk from there, going up here. We're gonna go up after too.
Wow.
This is what you're looking for. If you will find peace and stress away, just go to the beach and it's a stress reliever. This is what we're doing right now, is connect to the natures. This is what, because you don't have to city like make you happy, like buy something expensive stuff and then just make you feel happiness. You don't have, this is simply you feel happiness, right? It's connected to the natures. You can feel happiness, see the birds flying and this oceans in front of you. It's stress reliever, right? And this is natures. It feels you release, stress reliever. Simple way just to enjoy yourself is like go walk and go to the natures and connect with this God's creation.
Yeah,
And
it
that
looks
is
like
the
a
town,
big
and
giant
that's
water tank.
what source of water for the residents here. So right now we're here at Richmond. So I think we have to go this way. Because this is going to the top, and that one is going to down. I see the birds. Hi, bird.
Looking for food.
So wherever you are, guys, I know we have a lot of problems facing right now. And you see this in Lebanon. I pray for this Lebanon. They're gonna be stand, like recover all the happening there. And then it's not in Lebanon as well, but in so many places that it's been burning and fire. And plus we have this pandemic going on right now. Hopefully we can recover all this situation right now. So
End of the
I
world.
pray for you guys not to giving up, and stay strong, and and don't forget pray as well. Pray. Of course we can do this. Okay, wait. And this is another trail here. Actually we're in the top now. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, the San Rafael Bridge. Yeah, and that's the long bridge anyway. Okay, so we're here in the top. I don't know, we'll see here. So I think there's another way going to the top, so I don't know if we can do that there. Wait, probably, yeah. So this is the second floor and this is the first floor. So there's another third floor that you can walk in there. I don't know. It's great feeling that you have to connect to the natures. Okay, this is more clearly right here. I'm talking about the bridge. That's bridge. That's Auckland Bridge. And you see this bridge that it's it's hiding in the mountain. So that's the Golden Gate Bridge I'm talking about. And that's the San Francisco City. Well, as you can see, it's cloudy down there, but it's more cooler down there than here. See that? Yeah. Okay. Oh, nice view. Enjoy watching.
Yeah, it did.
Oh. Yeah, that one's not stopping.
Oh, that's a stop one there.
No, this is a play, and it will not stop when it's
Right.
it's starting.
Morning.
Yeah, I know how.
Looks good. What? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice trail, uphill trail.
The back side, you have another view on the back side.
Yeah.
Let's go walk, guys. Let's go walking.
Look. Cell tower. Is that a cell tower or is that a different type of tower?
I don't know.
Looks like a microwave tower. Yeah.
This is better to walk down in. Look at this view. We're in the top of the mountain right now. So you just see the city of, well, I don't know what city it is. Han.
I don't know which one it is either.
This is it's like a gas
It's a refinery.
a refinery station. So you see all this,
Looks
tank.
like one refinery, but they're two
Yeah.
separate areas.
and there's a boat
don't
also
know.
there.
I don't know which refinery it is. It's not Chevron.
Yeah, that's a boats, mga boats, and that's gas like that. Good. This is nice view here. I like it. You can see the whole city of I don't know what city it is, but actually we're in a Richmond. I think probably this is the Richmond city. Oh, nice. And this is have a big tower in here. Hey. Let's see the other side. What's in there?
It's Chevron there.
Okay.
Down here. That's a Chevron refinery. I'm not sure which one this one is.
Okay. This is and then this side. This is the Richmond city. And you can see all this gas around there. It's a tank. All their tanks. See that? And this is the city, you know, the residence, and there's the city, and there's the tank station right there. See that? Oh, so that's all gas actually. So yeah, okay. Alright, so this is a nice view here. You can see the overview. Stunning view right now.
walking up. We can go up and take a look.
Oh, come here. So we're still here, right, guys, and it's 12 already, 12 p.m. already. So we're kind of hungry right now, so we have to go down now. So thank you for watching, guys, and hopefully don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like, and if you want to comment, just comment below as well, and hit the notification as well. Thank you for watching. Be safe and God bless. Bye. Hey,
Bye.
bye.